What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. We had to take a little break to deal with some stuff, but we're back. If it's LaFlame related, we got to cover it. Make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, Twitter, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with everything that's been going on, newest drops, etc. That expression right there really captures what's been going through my head all day as I've been waiting to cover this Travis Scott video. It's kind of crazy, guys. LaFlame has done it again. He secured a collab with McDonald's, aka the Golden Arches, aka Micky D's, aka sometimes the best you could do and it's okay. And man, where do I start? So Travis today retweeted this right here from the actual McDonald's Twitter account, where he was talking about the fact that this collaboration is actually coming. It's going to be here September 9th, as you guys can see here. Pretty big deal, you could say. Anything LaFlame touches is going to be fire. There may be some kind of resale to it. It all remains to be seen. If there's any kind of like Happy Meal or any kind of toy like that exclusive just for it, that would be crazy. You already know there's going to be resale related to it. So we might be seeing some $10 little toy, or a toy made for like less than $1 in China in these Happy Meals that are then being resold for, who knows, even $100 plus, depending on how limited it is, if not more. So I think it's going to be really interesting over the next few days to see what the details are regarding the actual release, what we expect to see, things like that. At the moment, anybody kind of talking about resale, I think they're just kind of grasping at straws, because right now we don't really know what's going to be available for this actual McDonald's collaboration besides the actual Travis Scott meal. I found this video on Twitter. I'm not sure of the original source, but I'll go ahead and just let it play so you guys can see. This video right here talks about the actual Travis Scott meal in the menu itself. So let me know what you guys think. I'll go ahead and let you watch it.
Showing y'all the hidden menu at McDonald's, and a meal in specific caught my eye. Travis Scott meal. It's basically a quarter pounder if y'all ever tried that. So, but it's still fired up. It's gonna be me showing.
All right, guys, so another thing that's kind of interesting about the timing of this collab, just a couple days ago, if not a day or two ago, it was actually the 4-year anniversary of Travis Scott's second album, or third album, somebody correct me, Birds in the Trap Sing McKnight. It was a big deal for Travis, aka LaFlame, at the time. Some of those features really cemented him and blew him up even further. So let me know what your guys' favorite song is off of Birds in the Trap Sing McKnight. I think it's a great album. I think it's a cool story behind it. Apparently Quavo kind of came up with the name when the two were in the studio at one point. So shout out to Quavo and Migos, mama. But yeah, guys, I thought that was interesting timing. The fact that this McDonald's collaboration is coming out September 9th, which is not too long from now. The actual burger itself now doesn't look too crazy. It's just like a bacon quarter pounder with lettuce, and I think it comes with some barbecue sauce on the side. Nothing too crazy. I don't know. Maybe some people were expecting a crazier meal, but like I was saying earlier, be on the lookout for resellability. I noticed that I found this information online here that talks about the fact that there will also be special merchandise for the employees and the customers. So we'll see, guys. Maybe we'll see some McDonald's collaboration with Cactus Jack logo on some McDonald's polos or something like that. It's anybody's guess at this point what we are going to see from this collab, but stay tuned over the next few days. I'll definitely be making another video on it as soon as I see some more information. And if you made it this far, the price of Travis Scott 4s are crazy right now. My size is over $1,000, so just wanted to know your guys' opinion on them. And another kind of cool milestone is the channel finally hit 100,000 views. So I think that's really cool. I've been taking this serious for maybe the last year and a half for real now. I've been trying to upload more frequently the last year or so, or excuse me, the last like maybe a month or so. So I hope to be partnered soon. I love doing this. I've been dealing with a lot in real life right now, but I appreciate your guys' chance, or the chance for your guys' attention and your time. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know if you've hit on anything crazy lately, and stay tuned for more content. I got a video coming up I think you guys are going to like. Thanks for cooking with the kitchen and stay safe. Peace.